I want to go again. Christmas and around this time is the time for circumcision. Circumcision, adult circumcision is priced at minimum 20,000, maximum 40,000. It is here. These are the guidelines, honorable member. Pediatric circumcision. I have the booklet here and I can table this because these are guidelines, professional fee guidelines.
Maybe you can table.
And I just want to. This is what the board has prescribed, Madam Speaker.
Honorable, you know we have procedures. If a member raises on a point of order, you allow him to listen.
Okay, I will answer.
We allow
Go
him
ahead.
or her to express.
Madam Speaker, you have had
yes. So let's
Madam
get
Speaker,
the
you
point
have
of
had
order by
Honorable Chair
Duale.
saying, giving the price of circumcision in Kenya. Madam Speaker, that is a very private matter. And it is only some people like me who can give the price. So is Honorable Sabina in order to mislead the House that she is an expert on the prices of male circumcision?
I know, Honorable Sabina is a chairperson of the Health Committee. And again, the Honorable Sabina Chege is holding with herself a guideline, which she also needs to table it to the House, so that we can. Yes, there's another intervention, Honorable Sabina. Let's hear.
Thank you, and Madam Chair and Speaker. The chair of the committee was doing very well, but she should not overstep. Issues of circumcision in this country among certain communities are not even discussed, and prices cannot be listed here. So kindly and with a very light touch, I don't think that the chair of the committee is in order to proceed and give prices that are not really correct for all communities in Kenya. Thank you.
Okay. She's talking of I need to protect the chair. And of course, I know the issue of circumcision. Yes, they are very private, as Duale says. But Honorable Sabina Chege, she's talking of the medical part of it. And when we are talking about how to make, health cheaper to the common human. Honorable Chege, carry on.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I wish you'll add me more time because I know to some communities it's private, and especially the ones who go to the river. What I'm addressing here in this House is professional fee guidelines for medical and dental practitioners. These are health matters, and just even to be very specific, for the benefit of some members of this House who might want to take this practice, anyone who is thinking of doing vasectomy in Kenya, the minimum is 12,000, maximum 18,000. I want to continue. Let me go for something that is lighter. I just want to inform the House so that we know when we say health is not affordable in this nation, and health care has been left to the rich. And as we look towards UHC, we need to look at affordability. And so that we can
Honorable Sabina Chege,
yes.
Maybe you can still
let me give a lighter one.